Okay, here is another test with a different shirt. It's the same thing. Everything is the same except the shirt. And all I'm going to do is to fill in some time in making a long enough video that I can watch it for a period of time and get a good idea whether this is coming out in an acceptable way or not. So I don't know what to say. I mean, I've been talking and saying the same thing over and over again. So all I'm going to do is to keep talking, whether it makes sense or not. This is the middle of the night. I'm not making sense anyway. I tried to make sense for quite a while through several recordings. I have this one and I think one more to make, and then I'll be done with this, and then the comparison time will happen where I put this all together and then try to evaluate whether it's coming out correctly or not. Now I think I'm not quite centered in toward the picture, so I'm going to try to change that a little bit. All right. I don't know. It looks okay now. The problem is that I'm looking into bright lights, and although I do see the screen from the camcorder, I don't see it all that clearly. I see it clearly enough that I think that I'm making the right adjustments, but I don't really entirely know. I'm going to have to do that better. In any case, that's not the thing that I'm worried about now. At some point, I want to bring this all together and make it work. I put a piece of tape in the middle of the desk to wheel up to and make sure that I'm centered that way. Hopefully that is working because I'm right centered. That tape is pointed right toward the button holes that run down the middle of me. So right here, right to that center there. So hopefully that's going to help me to get centered. Okay, so talk. This is not important what I'm saying, but I do want to get enough time of talking in so that I do get enough time to watch. Also, I don't know how that's going to come out. I did take some pictures of the setup. Yeah, it's taking pictures of bright lights, so who knows if it's going to show or not, or whether there's settings that I should make for that. I'm not focusing on that because it's the middle of the night and I don't want to spend my mental energy on trying to figure out something that should be done, but I don't have the energy to do it right now. Okay, I'm going to end this, and I've got one more recording to make.